Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to install the Zoho CRM plugin in Shopify. If you've been searching for the best way to integrate Zoho CRM with your Shopify store, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process so you can start syncing your customer data and sales smoothly. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account as an administrator. Your Shopify dashboard can be accessed through the URL admin.shopify.com. From here, we want to access the Shopify App Store. There are two simple ways to do this. The first method is by clicking the search bar at the top and typing in Zoho. The second method is to click on the Settings tab in the left menu and then select Apps and Sales Channel Settings. This will bring you to the page where you can manage all your installed apps and plugins. Now, click on Shopify App Store, and you'll be redirected to a new page where we'll search for Zoho CRM. If you don't see it right away, simply use the search bar at the top and type in Zoho. You'll notice multiple Zoho integrations appear, such as Zoho Books, Zoho Advanced Analytics, Zoho CRM Sync with Perks, and others. Depending on your needs, whether it's lead management, syncing customer data, or advanced reporting, you can pick the right Zoho app for Shopify. For this tutorial, let's select Zoho CRM Sync with Perks. Once you're on the app page, click Install, just like you would with any other Shopify app. Wait for it to load, and most of the time, you'll be redirected to Zoho's homepage. Here, you'll either need to sign up for a new Zoho account or log in to your existing Zoho account. Once you do that, give the necessary permissions to allow Zoho CRM to integrate with your Shopify store. After granting access, the Zoho CRM plugin will be installed successfully, and your Shopify store will now sync with Zoho CRM. So, if you've been wondering how to connect Zoho to Shopify, then this video has you covered. That's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully, this guide helped you set up Zoho CRM in your Shopify store the right way. If it did, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify app installation and integration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.